Hello developers, welcome back to Stoner Stack. Imagine asking one simple question and instantly getting your JIRA ticket summarized into a brand new conference page. So that's exactly what we are building today with MCP Server and GitHub Copilot. Now the setup of the Confluence MCP is exactly same as the JIRA because Atlassian has provided a common MCP server for both JIRA and the Confluence. I have already covered that in a last video. So if you want the step-by-step installation guide, you can check out the link in the description or click on the information icon given above. Here is the real magic comes in. So inside Copilot, I am simply asking in just plain English to fetch the recent tickets and then summarize them and create a conference page with a table showing the status, descriptions, and the assignee. Here, first MCP server takes my request and it will send it to JIRA. So let's check it out. In the input section, it is using the JQL query as well. So you don't need to worry about how to write the JQL queries now. So that's JIRA query language. In the Confluence request, so in the Confluence page request, it is just listing the all the Confluence spaces available. So right now there are not much. Once it will fetch all the details, then it will ask our permission to create the new Confluence page. So after reviewing it, I have provided the permission. Body of the input for this is a MD file, is supported format in Confluence, and in the output it has provided us HTML. Along with that, it has provided with some key points, and in the end it should provide a link for the Confluence it has created. So here it is, in just seconds it has created the Confluence page and the link. These tickets fetched live from the JIRA summarized by MCP, also published into the Confluence, all triggered by just one query. Developers, project managers, even non-technical teammates can run one query and get all the information from JIRA and the Confluences. So that's a huge productivity boost. Now you can focus on work, not on the context switching. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more such videos, and don't forget to check the playlist linked in the description. See you in the next video. Thank you.